Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, sky blue color, red color, black color, green color, light green color, yellow color, light pink color, brown color, green color, orange color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for God. H for hand. I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H-R-W 3. 4 F-O-U-R 4. 5 F-I-V 5.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
7.
W, X,
S, U, V,
Y,
and
and Z. Now I know my ABC.
8.
Next time, won't you sing